Create a musical instruments e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds guys to load. As you can see here, it's loading, and here we are. And after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is choosing a name to the store. And after choosing the name, you click on continue. So don't worry guys, it doesn't matter if you make a mistake in the name, you can always change the name later. So let's go on with continue. Then we have a question and we have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most, and then you do the same with this other question. Then you choose the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about musical instruments, so I think I'm going to choose, so here we have health, beauty, kid and baby, professional services. I'm going to go with tools and parts, also tech products, and that's it. And if you can't find your category in here, just click on other, then click on continue. And here, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to build up your store. And this is the dashboard of the platform, as you can see. And here in your right, you have the edit site button and the design now button also. And both of them take you to the editing phase, where you can edit your store. And here in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you before going to the editing phase. So I'm going to start with website, and it's where you can also reach the editing phase, and you can also set up your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you can create new products in the site's items, where you can create new products or manage the ones that you already have. Then we have sites categories, if you want to categorize the products that you created before. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section, where you can see all of the orders that you have and check the fulfilled one, shipped one, cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings also. Then we have the reports section, where you can see the reports of the site's traffic, the reports of the site's activity, sources, online sales, site items, abandoned carts, and coupons. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you can just click on summary, and then you will see the summary of them. Then we have the marketing section, where you have basically you will have everything that is related to growing your audience, from the email to automated to ads to the mailing lists, segments, setup, and so on. And if you want again to see the summary of all these tools, you can just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then we have, last but not least, we have settings, and it's where you have the general settings. If you want to change the name of the company, or set your address or your phone number or your email, you can do all of that in settings and clicking on general. As you can see here, company name, address, email, and phone number. Then we have checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account or changing the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes and the units where you can change the site's language, and also you can edit the units that you have. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here you will need to be a little bit patient, give it a few seconds to load. So here it's still loading, as you can see in this one, and here also it's still loading. So just give it a few seconds. And here we have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now, and it will show up in here the styles, which is the first step of setting our store. As you can see, choosing the styles. But before choosing, let's first wait for the store to be fully loaded. Just give it a few seconds, and here the store is fully loaded, as you can see. So I'm going to choose this one as my style, then click on hide styles and check if the style fits you, then click on apply site styles. Then you have the site's design, where you can again change the site styles, or you can add an image to be your logo, change colors, or change fonts, or change the shapes of the buttons. So I'm going to change the shape of the buttons to rounded, and the shape of images to rounded again. Then click on done, and here by scrolling down you have the site's elements. If you want to change these ones, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version. Then when you're done, you click on done, and here close this one first, dismiss all, dismiss, and here in this plus button, if you want to create a new section or a new page, and here you can manage the pages that you have and the sections that you have. If you want to move one of them, or if you want to hide it or show it, and if you want to delete it also. And here I will show you how you can change the placement of one of these sections. You just need to drag and drop, and it's now changed. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it down in the comment section down below.